is about to be a whole nother freaking video of me saying, oh my gosh, all night. Oh my God. And what was that, like 25% throttle probably, right? Jesus Christ. Yo, this thing moves. Holy shit. Holy shit. Yo. This might be the fastest car I've ever been in, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yo. What the f? That shit got me nervous. And I don't get nervous. Yo. Yo, this thing is fast, bro. This thing is fast. I think it's hella fast, bro. Holy. Yo, so what mode was that?
What mode?
Yeah, transmission mode, because it was shifting faster.
It was manual. It likes third and fourth.
And that you don't really have to live for?
That time I kind of just...
So fuck it. Yo, you're a demon. Because I heard that shit, I'm like, whoa, this shit's shifting faster, bro.
Yeah, until the guy pulled out in front of me.
Yeah. No, that shit was still hella good.
Give her another one. After that, like, I don't want to fly over the bridge again.
Yo, we took flight.
That wasn't bad. Could have been worse. We hit 23.6 pounds on shift.
And it's because of the nice cool weather too, bro.
Oh, yeah. Love it. Let's go, bro.
fucking moves, bro.
Alright. I gotta take a break because my brakes are...
Yeah. You're chilling.
The back pull, baby.
This thing right here. Is it?
Are we glowing?
Nah, not
That's
too
what I
bad.
call good tuning, boys.
Oh, God.
Good tuning will have your manifold not red. I don't know how many passes we did, but we had to at least say, I want to say at least 8 to 10 pulls. Back to back to back. Full boost, 23 pounds. Single turbo, direct injection only. Yeah, I know it's not fast, but till you ever start riding it.
Not fast. Yo, nah, Justin's chatting, bro. Yo. All right, you guys. I'm going to keep it short, sweet, and simple. I've ridden in a lot of cars. I thought the C8 was crazy. The C8 has like low end punch.
On 21 pounds.
Yeah.
So now we're revised.
Yeah. And yeah, exactly. So this car is revised now, so it makes a lot more. It was more power, right?
I definitely say on the E40 mix, it's making some good jam now compared to the 21 pounds we were on with the DFB boost controller. We switched over to the DME boost control, completely controlled by the tuner himself. And I went ahead and sent him a 60 to 130 time. He wasn't really happy with it, so he went ahead and he added some more boost on there, and he said it should be able to shift a lot better.
And yo, it does. So for me with the C8 had a lot of low end punch. So as soon as he got on it, it moved. But this thing, yo, when I talk, you hear me? I'm yo, I can't even explain. When the car reels out and it's going up top, the car just pulls. It doesn't fall off. So that's the one thing about the C8. The C8 had a low end punch, and then by the time it got up top, it fell off. This thing did it too well, bro. Did it so well. He gave you guys some pulls with it where he gets off the gas and he shifts, and then he did it 100% ball to the wall and just got it to move. And yo, this thing is nothing to mess with. Just a little, I wouldn't even say just a little more, just in its form now. Yeah, this is nothing to mess with. Nothing to mess with. Bro, when we were coming back from Immokalee, that's what it's called, right?
Yes.
And we did that race, yo, I was like, yo, he's moving. And that's with the revision now, right?
Correct.
That makes sense. Beforehand, it'll be like back and forth. And then sometimes we'll get like a clean run. Last time we were coming back from the track and me and him ran it, it was a dog walk. Bro had me on the leash, bro. He was pulling me, bro. This thing is crazy, bro. It doesn't spin or nothing. It hooks. 100% hooks. There was not any pull that we did where it didn't hook up. So our 888's putting in work. He got that drag pack on it, tight shit.
Key to start, lower your tire pressure. It's a great start.
This thing was moving, bro. We would call this spec. This thing is super clean.
She's still a work in progress. We still have many things to do. Follow N54 to the front on Instagram to stay input with all the constant builds that are going on with the single turbo, twin turbos, all the N54s on the country.
Yeah, you guys got to make sure you guys check out his page. He has some really nice thing going on with the N54 community. Ever since I followed, bro, I've been trying my hardest to stay out of it, but I might have to end up getting an N54, bro. Get that freaking turbo, bro. This thing is clean, bro. Super clean.